chiamando adesso. Ma io gli messaggio agli phone con noi. Hello? E? E fresh one no je na arubara ni. Oni me gwalo. Una wa me fresh one because ologo ni me vedian ni akaye ni aye selofi ya uyo to me. We are made the fresh one ni. Oni ma. Okay, sorry. Uma mi rose flower de rose keka dogi keka na ni aure ne. Uma da sa no me kena zigo ya de rose water. So utobo we prepare a rose water is for market, organic rose water, natural rose water na devogo or raw. But we ma on we lo ni utobo we prepare rose water we gbe ni me prepare we na. You know Yes. Okay, don't worry about that because if not say me na request for fresh rose flower just for you to know how to prepare it. You understand? Since we money now. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Even we prepare with now. Oh, when also no. Wait. I promise you na 8 o'clock at 8 day live video. I don't even relate. No worry. 10 o'clock. Come. No, for class na 10 o'clock. For class na 10 o'clock. I want do live video. I don't already do live video now. 10 o'clock for class. I will explain to you. Not just worry. Yeah. Make it now carry on. Don't late. Yeah. Later. No problem. Thank you. No worry. Later 10 o'clock. Ciao. Salut. Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. You want to glow your skin? You want to glow your glow? Stay on my live video and watch the way I'm going to do it. How you are going to glow your glow. I hope una dey fine. Long time. Longest time. May I play small music? When I invite you a friend though, if you don't want to be using cream to glow yourself, come and listen to me. You can still use this thing. It will glow you. If I use it clean, you can still use this one to glow it. This is my secret. I use cream to rub and I still drink all those things to glow my skin very well because many people ask me, Sister Felicia, I want to be like you. I want my skin to be beautiful like your skin. I told them I use cream, but I still use other thing that I drink that wash me from my inner side, inside my body, that glow me from inside my body. So all are natural. It's not a chemical. So I get to show you guys how to prepare it so that everybody go dey glow together. Mr. Favor, thank you so much. Good evening. Scholar, thank you. Star Kate, you are welcome. Invite your friends, it's now I'm seeing comment. Before I did not see comment. Mr. Favor, I love you, Gedegbe. I too love you, my lady. Thank you. Share the video. Invite your friends. So, as I was saying before, you want to glow your skin, you use cream. Cream is not enough. Because many people ask me questions, Sister Felicia, I love your skin. I use other things too. As I use my cream, I still also use other ingredients to glow inside me. Tomorrow I will still be on live video to teach you another thing that is very necessary for a woman to use. This evening, what I'm going to teach you now, you can be doing it twice in a week. So that you will look younger than to your age. Some of you will be 40 years. You will look like as if you are 70 years. Some of you are just 18 years old. You look like my grandmama. Some of you are just 36 years old, you look like 50 years. Some of you are just 30 years old, you look like as if you are 40 years. There's a difference between 40 years and 20 years old girl. There's 10 years difference. If you are 20 years, look like you're 20 years, or you look like 18 years. Not looking like 14, as if you are 40 years, you are 50 years. Eh? There are some things you have to do for yourself. I don't request money to teach you this. You do it by yourself. It will help you. Believe me. It will help you. It will glow you. It will glow you. It will help you. You are not helping me. Help yourself to look beautiful, to glow. Make everybody fine. I mean deal. Make everybody fine. If you need this, contact me. I have many of these last week. I show you the other time. We prepare it together the other time. This is the same hair. I just tried to roll it today. Since morning I roll it, but now I went outside. I'm just coming from the supermarket. The coils don't come out. You know, stay. Now morning I take roller. And I even leave and make it dry. I just still remove the rollers. So the coil is not constant. I make it be like this. But I take picture before I go out. Maybe later we paste the picture. You will see how the coils was so beautiful this hair. So now rush I take house now. Not come again. It's the same hair I show you the other day. This hair I too love her. Then the short one, I still have many of that short one. You can buy that. I have another different short one again, like Afro. It's 60 euro, the same amount. It's inside the room. I don't want to get off from this place. I have that one like Afro. Just that one, that hoodie days one, that one like Afro, very fine. So that one is 60 euro. Then I have the other type that I bought one side the other day. That one is 60 euro. So contact me. Please, my sister. My new single drop, my new single track is loading very soon. By God's grace, it will be out this month. I'm working towards it. So maybe today or tomorrow, I will post the picture, the poster on Facebook. That dropping soon. Poster, I will post it on Facebook. This music, now bomb, now oga. Hey, I don't want to give you now. This man, oh me, I not going to give expo. If I can't talk now, can't they talk small secret way they inside. I don't want can't they talk all those things. So men are ready for the music. Now jam music, now music will be say you take go party, where you take shake your bum. Now music will be say you take dance, I beg you. Men are not worried. The music they cannot be the rest music where I first see. That one are cool music. This one are catenary as Italo talk. Now music will be say you take the shake body, or you take dance. Who not get your that time you go do nyash, you understand? So me, I don't they prepare my nyash down because I don't they do treatment for my nyash. My bottles don't they come out small. Now see I they do massage all the time. Now see I they do massage. You don't they come as I don't they I'm ready to go show. Oh my God. Oh, may I play this music, before I will go to the points. If you get your carrots here, my orange, my carrots, my banana, my cucumber powder, that is tomato powder. You can see it. They are here with me. But first of all, I want to prepare this lavender oil. Let me put it on the fire before I will do other things. You all know these things now. Lavender. Instead of you to go to supermarket to buy your oil, lavender oil to add to your cream, do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. I'm going to prepare this one this evening because I want to use it for cream tomorrow. So I want to prepare it now and put it on the fire. Later we will remove it so that I can tell you what to take so that you will glow your skin. You will not have pimples. You will not have acne. You will not have this skin problem. You will look younger than your age. You know, be like ye le kute gay. We be say young girl. You go be like say it don't hold. So I go teach you now everything. It dey help well. It dey help. I'm just preparing my lavender oil. Let me prepare my lavender oil so that I will come. Invite your friends. So before I start this glow something, invite your friends. Some don't come, they open window down since. Italy, summer don't call. This coronavirus of 18 don't let us enjoy this summer, Not be say don't finish for ground. We all see the fear to they come out too. I know they come out like that too. For house to work, from work to house. Sometimes, like today in a supermarkets, I went to a shop to do shopping for one of my girlfriend is France. She ordered many things. So I went to a shop to buy them for her. Then I still post it on DHL today. She will receive it tomorrow. One of my good friend, my students in France. So no say person they good for you. You go still sacrifice that time for that person. Now wait till now they give me now, go they give you now. She's so lovely. So that love I have to share it for her. So I want to prepare my turmeric or turmeric. My lavender oil. Good evening, my sister. Good evening. Very sexy lips. Now pick list. So today my class by 10 o'clock we are teaching pick list. How to prepare pick list. By 10 o'clock, people that register with me, you will learn how to do pick list today. So I use pick list. Then I use my goat's milk to rub my face. Then I put small lead. The lead don't they come off for my face now. Since morning now, I use pick goat's milk. I don't rub foundation. I don't like foundation. Give me problem on my face. I use goat's milk. It's a cream. I rub it on my face. That is what I rub for my face. So I'm going to do this oil. You see it? Lavender oil. This time around now, every area there's this lavender plants. Go and plug it and do it for yourself. Add it to your cream. Use it to rub every time before you go to bed. You will see the difference after 6 days on your skin. Prepare yours. If you don't understand, inbox me, I will teach you. Give me some change. I will teach you. I'm coming, guys. Let me play this music of this my sister. If I can see it, or I'll play another music. Let me see if I can see it. Or make I play Don Cliff. Which music dey my phone now where I'll feel play? No. The one music with my brother. This one brother they say give me. I store his name with music sender. So let me play one of this music. Okay, I play this Don Cliff. As the music is playing, let me prepare my carrots. Get your blender. Invite your friends if you want to blow your skin. Okay, you say you don't feel them young again. Follow my instruction. You will look young and glow. I use 1 carrot. I'm using only 1. One banana. This video is going to last 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Tomorrow I will teach the other one. The one where I'll fit take today, now one teach. I don't want to waste my things. Nobody they drink am with me. Now let me they drink am for this house. Slice your. Oh my God, who go help me for this fly? Now I hate fly. The ingredients I list it on my. You like the song? Yeah, very nice song there. See they sing am 200 times a day. You no go tire you. Now don't click. The ingredients I'm using now is listed on my platform. You can click it and see the ingredients. Carrots, banana. Now I'm going to add this turmeric powder, this cucumber powder. We Italy call it cucumber. Cucumber. This turmeric powder. I'm using this spoon. Olewa. Oh, it's natural. You can see it any supermarket. It's cucumber. Cucumber, sorry, cucumber, turmeric. Maintain your skin is very important. Okay, my orange. I need the juice. The orange juice I need. You can do this thing. Drink it 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week. You will see your skin. So I'm going to do the orange juice now with this blender. Let me plug it and do it. You will see the way I'm going to mash everything together. You will love it. The taste is so nice. It's to glow your skin. And I know say this orange now is rich with vitamin C and E. That is what we need for our skin. This vitamin. Banana get vitamin. You see this carrot is very rich. This carrot can glow your skin. Glow it very well. So I'm going to squeeze my orange now. Nothing where they throw away for you. After I don't use this orange, do this juice now. The back of this orange, I'm going to use it to do oil later. So nothing waste. Nothing waste. Nothing waste. If you can do this thing 3 times in a week or twice in a week, you will enjoy it. Anything where they teach you, I mean, I'm not the user, they commonize them. Do it. You will see the results. Do it. Just to glow your skin from your inside your body. You can get the powder. Sorry, sister, I just saw your message now. The powder, you can get it in supermarkets. Star Faith, good evening. Who is there? Sister Jennifer, good evening. God bless you too. The powder is in supermarkets. Turmeric powder is in supermarkets. You get it. There are different types. Buy the organic one, not chemical. Even my orange is from organic shop. I don't buy any supermarkets orange. I buy from organic shop. Go to Natural Sea in your area. You will see this powder. I use this. My own wife won't get for I don't finish. Now new one buy today. You can see it any supermarkets, anywhere. You will see it anywhere. To glow your skin. I know whether they show na small things for here. Register on my class, then you come and learn more things in my class. Small one where I fit teach, I will teach you if I get time. Like today, I didn't go to work. Tomorrow, I'm going to night work. So tomorrow, I can teach before I go to night work. I'm going to teach something else. That one is very necessary for a woman to be doing it all the time. Not only women, men and women. Try it, we love it. Glow your skin all the time with your cream and your juice. Glow it from your inner parts. I'm using orange juice to blend everything together. You will see the way I'm going to do everything together. The cream I do, I only use vitamin C, vitamin E capsule, vitamin C powder. We use it to do our cream. That is what you use to rub in your body. Then you still drink it from inside you. It will blow you out. Understand? Make everybody fine. Make everybody fine. Okay. You see Anna? You see the juice now? So I'm going to pour it. So, oh my God. So you are going to pour it inside now. Mix it together. This thing not be say e hard to do. Some people will say na chance wey dem not get, e no fit take off their body. You see it? It's very easy to do. It's not to 5 minutes now. Don't do and finish. What am I going to do now? I'm going to blend everything together. I pray make this thing not fall from my hand. I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to blend it together. I'm using this type of blender. I have another type. I have different types. This one is good for this thing that we are going to do now. I don't look and well. May not come through well, fit through well. Because now so my thing they always they be. So let me just do it together. We are going to drink it with me, Oh my God! Let me on it now. I'm blending it together. Let me shift my camera. Okay. Which of the sugar markets, supermarkets, you get it from? My sister Osas. All supermarkets get some. If you go any supermarket, you go see orange where I use. Any supermarket, you go see carrots. Any supermarket, you go see banana where I use. Any supermarket, you go see turmeric powder. Where is the turmeric powder? Where did I throw it? You go see turmeric powder. Na powder. Na powder. May I see whether another one I forget. Me not see and wait. I don't get it for the other packets. I for sure now. I don't get it again. If you reach, may I tell you where you go see them? Where they for the sell curry, pepper, all those things. You go see them for there. Turmeric powder, it dey there. It bokun for there. All supermarkets get and believe. All get them. Even go reach this leader where be say it's still local. You see there. Penny market dey there. Eselunga dey there. They all supermarkets. It dey all. No supermarkets will not get them. It dey all. Yo, this thing go work today. Not going work again. Go and bring another. Abi don't still burn. Yeah, worry. Okay, be like saying on the plug not good way. My redone. The plug no good way. I will turn and put off another one. Okay. Don't they work now? Thank you, Jenny Frank. Thank you so much. get to smooth. Now see just now say I don't put water o. No be later na come dey even see say abeg I go add water join am. No, I did not add any water. I use orange juice. I did not add water to it. No be later na come dey boss me say water dey. Water no dey. As you see am, carrots, banana, turmeric powder, and this orange. That is what I use. I did not use any other ingredient. It to be very smooth. Okay, it's not smooth now, so I'm going to turn it smooth. Yes, let me open it now. See, if you don't have this type of machine, you can use any one you have, any blender you have at all. You can blind it and turn it to the cup you use to you drink it. But I use this cup. I buy this blender because I do many things with this cup. I need this. That is why I buy this type. I have other type, but this one is very easy for me to use. Even to that thing to slid down, I use this thing too. Now see, just to glow your skin. Thank you. Good evening, Star Favor, Love Favor. Good evening. You are welcome. You are welcome. I will start doing mine tomorrow. Yes. Please, your number on WhatsApp. Oh, that WhatsApp number is having problem now. That the WhatsApp is having problem. But you can call my number 00. Let me wait. Let me pin it here. If you want to buy hair, you want to buy cream, you want to glow your skin, contact me with cream. If you don't understand this thing that I just did now, you can inbox me. I will explain to you. You can inbox me and I will explain to you. Let me pin my number here to call if you want to call. But don't call me now. If I'm on live video, I don't like people to call me. You can call me after the live video. You can call me after the live video. Don't call me now. Don't call me now. You can call me after the live video. I'm going to pin my number here now. Let me pin my number. You can call me after the live video. Don't call me now, please. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube. Subscribe. Help your sister. Help your sister. It's ready. For those of you that are just call me, let me explain to you again. I did not add any water. I peel my carrots and I slice it inside this jar. I had only one banana. Only one banana. Then I now had my turmeric powder. I use this thin spoon, this small spoon. I have been inboxing you. Oh, I will check my message. Sorry. I use only this one spoon. I pour only one spoon of turmeric powder. This is the turmeric powder. We call it curcuma in Italy. Those of you that is staying in Italy, you can get your in any supermarket. It's what we use to cook. It's not a chemical. It's what we use to boil meat, what we use to cook fish, verdura, vegetables, egg, to fry egg, for potato, for pizza, for fruit and dolce. You see, the list is here. You can buy anyone without they did not write all this gbogbo. You understand? All are the same. Turmeric powder is turmeric powder. All are the same. Use only this half spoon. Do the orange juice. I use this machine to do my orange juice. You can still use the other one, manual, that handy one. If you have that one too, use that one to squeeze the orange. If you don't have this type of machine, you can use that one to squeeze it so that the juice will come out very well. At the time you use your hand to squeeze it, the juice will not come out like that. That is why I use this. Or you use the manual one. I have that one too. That plastic, that manual one. It's not to €2 in supermarkets. So you get your this, blend everything together, slice your carrots, pour your juice inside, your turmeric powder. It's ready to drink. Use it to glow your skin. Use it to glow so that you will not have fat and coke if you are using cream. If you are not using cream to rub, use this. How many carrots? I use only 1 carrot. No say now as my belly reach. Thank you. As my belly reach, now I just prepare. I always prepare this one. 1 carrot, 2 orange, 1 banana, small spoon of turmeric. Now as my belly reach, I dey prepare. I no dey prepare more than this. I use only 1. Drink this 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. It will help you to glow. If you are in black, you have black complexion. Drink this thing. You will see your skin the way it will be shining. Now some of they come so. When I know they fear to enter sun, I guess some lock cream. Drink this thing. Your color remain the same. You will not change. You will not change. Your color remain glowing. You will become young every day. You will become young every day. Now me tell you, I no get skin where be say rashes, excuse, you do this for my skin is very glow, it's very fresh. This is what I use. Inside my body, I not still do another thing to do. You see, my belly, you see me. Glow your skin, my legs, they are very fresh. They have not only my boom boy they try make I push up now. I they do massage. I dey push her up so that may get some because it be like say flat small. Oh my God! You need to test this thing. Test it. Do yours. You will like it. You will just love it. Just test it. You will love it. Very nice for the body, for your head. Use this thing to glow. From your inner. Use it to glow. From your inner. Against all these bacteria. Against I don't know. Imagine school if not for the use big English they explain this thing. And it they pay me. It get worse. Why for the use they taught this thing? Oh. No need for me to buy bleaching cream. Again, I don't discover another one. Marcus, what did they call you? May I tell you one thing? If you are using cream, do you know what is called bleaching? That word is bleaching. Go and check a dictionary and read what, and just go and detect it. What is the meaning of bleaching? When you use organic cream, you are not bleaching, you are glowing. You understand? This thing is to glow your skin. It's to glow your skin. It's to glow your skin. You understand? If you are using cream, this thing will help you very well. If you are not using cream, as I said before, you can still use this to glow. You will see your skin, it will change. The skin not like pashoko ni. You not go be like pashoko again. When you will get this wrinkle, what they call now this level for face, where be say go be like say they draw abadabidi for year, it day year. You know get some people's they go. People's when they disturb you, they go. Your skin go fine, go smooth. You know go get all this crocro. Now some of they come so she no go let some people wear nika. I been a short skirt they want wear. Me I get plenty nika and short skirt. Now me and this summer, I tell you we day now. Now me this summer because my body is very nice, it's very fine, beautiful, glow. My skin is very fine. This is what I use after I use my cream, my scrub. my face cream, my black soap, my glow shower gel, my glow shower soap for face. After all those things, my glow oil, after all these things, I drink this 3 times in a week. If I'm going to work, I prepare it, I go with it to work. In the afternoon, this will be my food. This is not to slim down. Attention, as Italo people tell, attention. I did not say this thing will make you slim down. No, it's to glow your skin. It's to glow your skin. It's not to slim down. Not be waiting you want to slim down. Not be him. Now just to glow your skin. Thank you, Edos Monday. Thank you. See the way your face the white lights. And now Moses. Now goat milk I dey rub for my face. Now treatment. If you don't know, now may you know. Express dey leave you. Can it give you your real color? Yes, Sarah. Thank you so much. Some people wey dey my life now, e don take one no dey enter my live video again. I don't know, it might be not be why I dey there now. So I'm going to block you guys now. I don't play with my live video. I don't do saga. I do things that will help people. I'm here to waste my time to be teaching people what to do. So I don't love some comments. I don't welcome some comments. So I'm going to block you. I see you are not word. Now they see some comments. So I'm going to block some people. Una go drink poison one day. Moses, you are gone from my live video. I don't know village where they for carry you come. You get to learn something. Anyway, talking to fake accounts, it's not good. If I want to talk to somebody, I talk with real account, no fake account. I know say real accounts will get a brain. Nothing on the right this thing. All these are what you use to cook at all. Which one can be frenzy for each side, This is what you use to eat at all. So you never buy carrot for your life. Take eat. Take cook your jollof rice or your fried rice. You never drink orange for your house one day. You never use cucumber. Take cook your fish. Take cook your food one day. When you say una go eat poison, If I talk to you now, I go say this one, it no get respect. I don't want they lose my temper. I'm here because of the better people, not people like you that don't even know what is carrots. Since when the boy you never eat carrot one day. Since when the boy you poverty you never eat orange. No wonder. So let me just block you before you write another useless message here. People that need this video, they will appreciate it. I will block you. Write another comment again. Say your people come. I will block you. Some people be like saying, "Yeah, what to say joy a brain? Oh, I give when I'm a give no vunje." You don't better thing. You know they like better thing. I don't know why. I'll block that one. Which I'm going to block this Marcos. Not be the same because your comments don't they shook let the comment. See, you even send me friend requests. See, you even send. That is why I don't accept friend requests because some of you are so fake. You even send me friend requests. I don't love your comments there. I'm going to block you right now. Now go the bad person, make person accept now for request. You look me like person will go accept your request. I'm going to block you. Get out of my platform. Yeah. I pay my internet, not you that pay my internet for me. Okay, my guys, my people, sorry guys, don't worry, he does not know how to eat. Yes, so you never see carrot for your life. So now 2 of them, don't block them. I don't like all these distract comments. I know if you go past the live video, go the distract and go the insult or go the useless words. I know they do it for my life. So I know they like me person come here, make all they talk. They say some people will eat poison. Okay, I should repeat the items. The ingredients I use. Okay. I bet me help me check if na poison be this. Carrots, banana, turmeric powder. This is what I use. I slice the carrots, I slice the banana, and I add 1 small spoon of turmeric powder. Then this orange, I do the juice. I use juice orange to blend everything together. This is it. This is it. If you want to do it at all. take it 3 times a week or 2 times. Then when I'm on live, come and write here and tell me how you look like after 7 days or after 1 month you have started using this thing. Your body will become light. Your skin, you will see the way it will look like. Now to go dey buy medicine for pharmacy now no. But person go dey give you na good treatment wey be say na organic, no be chemical. You no go like am. I don't know why. Okay, tomorrow if you want to do this thing with me, you can. Yes, Eselunga. Some of the things I bought it in Eselunga. You can see it. This is pineapple. If you are coming to this video tomorrow, I don't know the time I'm going to be free. I'm not going to work tomorrow, but I will do housework. I will prepare some oil. So come with your pineapple. Number 1 ingredients for tomorrow. Come with your watermelon for tomorrow. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. You will see the way you will like it. Tomorrow, come with these 2 ingredients. Which other ingredients I'm going to add for tomorrow? May I bring my paper, come out. May I look. Whether I go bring another, I go carry another seed journal. Maybe if we do it together, people will understand it very well. I have class by 10. No, it's only that one you come with. Pineapple and this thing. Then your honey. Come with your honey. Your honey. Any honey you have at all. This is what I'm going to use to prepare pink lace this evening. I don't sell chemical. I do my things by myself. To prepare pink lace, this is what I'm going to use this evening in my class. If you are in my class, you will understand. This is what I'm going to use today for pink leaves. So let me show you honey. Maybe some people don't still know what it be honey now. They go say na poison. Oh one. Even adult your own one. Buy any type you have. Any type you see in supermarket. So far, oh one na oh one. Honey na honey. Come with your honey. You know they keep person. And they use how they do cream, scrub, face cream, many things. And they use how they do the one while they drink. This is natural. It's organic. This one is organic. I get my own in organic shop. If you go to Eselunga, you will see this thing there. They will still write BO. If you don't want to buy number 1, buy BO. It there Eselunga. It full there. What is they call it? Penny market. It there. Leader. It there. Not be pointy. Buy your own. Tomorrow, come here tomorrow. If I did live video, I will write the time I'm going to do it tomorrow. Come with this watermelon and this pineapple. Let's use these 3 ingredients together and see what will come out of it. This is for tomorrow. I just want to show you guys so that tomorrow you can come to class with this, so that we not go get confusion. If I dey do and you don't say you get them for there, say no be points I want give person chop. Thank you. I love people where they appreciate. So Sandra, thank you, Sister Sandra. Thank you. Show me some love, guys. Show me some love. Night time I waste for you. I took my time to sit here. I'm coming from outside. I was rushing down because of you guys to sit here and show you guys what I use to glow my skin. People ask me, Sister Felicia, if they buy cream for me, you are online now. You can still hear what I'm saying now. That I'm not lying. They will ask me, prepare my cream like your skin. Me and your skin, it no be the same. Now my color I get, you go still get your color. But if you want more, you want this your color to be beautiful, you don't want to have pimples, black spots, acne, gbogbo take this thing, wash it out from your inner. Egboma, orange, banana, carrot, turmeric powder, finish. It don't cost anything. Take it 3 times in a week or 2 times. No come tell me say you no get men are they take am. Women men are they take am. Now go see the different way dey na body. If I dey live video here, tell me the results. I've done my look at the way it's working. I don't do almost look at the way it's working. Oh, wetin I dey use, I dey show na for live video. Like my cream secret, I never show na finish because I dey use and dey make money. If I show this one, at the end when me come dey see money. I even tell na just now say I don dey gather my buttocks. My boom boom wetin dey call na I don dey do massage make it take go up. I even show na wetin I want again. E don dey go up small small. See my flat tummy. I don get big belly. I dey treat myself as a woman. As a woman, I look after my body. You go dey 16 years old, you be like say na 40 years you dey. What it be that one? They tell you say I don't fat for body. Me, I be fat person. People that know me, they know that I'm very fat. My belly na so it be. Before I come maintain myself reach like this, I beg. Anybody not come the right say all this you want give they also do poison. Now you go drink poison. Not be my people where they wash me go drink poison. Now responsible people now they wash me for a year. Better people now they watch me. Anybody that do anyhow my live video, I block you. You go out of here. You will not see me next time. Or to learn. There are some things you go and spend your money in pharmacy to buy. You will be looking for vitamin C. They say make I buy this one. Do them on your house. Do them by yourself. And you will glow. You will have that good earthly. Even from bow, I have everything. Men are not worried. Small small go dey teach you now. Small small they come. I will teach you now all this ukwedo, being native medicine. I know how to do them very well. I not be native doctor, not be native doctor why they talk. All these native organic things, remedies. I will teach you now how to use it, how to prepare it. There are many type of remedies you can buy from your supermarket. All the ingredients you use to cook, you will use it to glow your skin. You will drink it. You will look healthy. I will be teaching all these things if I have time. Anytime I have time, I will be teaching all these things. You will enjoy it. This carrot, you know, go and Google it. You will see what carrot will do inside your body. Orange, go and Google it. Me they tell me not go university, but for school that time, they teach me what orange they do for body. What banana they do for body. We dey draw for school, they teach us. What carrot they do for body, especially this carrot. Carrots you use to glow. We use carrot to prepare our cream, some of our cream, carrot cream. It will glow you. It will glow you to number nonsense. This carrot wey dey see so, now powerful ingredients. Eating it, drinking it, using it to rub. Oga no, men are dey try am. There are many things some people don't know. Sister Lee, my sister, you are welcome. Good evening. Many people don't know. Try and be doing all these things. Be using all these native organic remedies to treat yourself. Not be Panadol first sick all the time. So that is why I'm just teaching my topic. I took my time to prepare myself and come to live video. I don't want any disturbance. Come here and look me. If you like what I do, comment. If you don't like it, it's not by force. You will comment. Show me love. People are showing me love. I love you guys, I love you guys. Who is calling me now? Hello? I did live video. If you call me later. Thank you. Thank you. Now here what I did talk. So, may not try. This is interesting, incredible. Yes, Monday Otabo. This one now. This kind of comments I dey like. What you don't know? You can't see person. Tell the good evening. You can't see person where they teach you. I supposed to dey my bed they sleep since I not go work. Not be someone want give me money. I'm here to share with you guys what I'm using. People don't question me too much. What are you using? What are you using? We dem here innovator for your lady V about 3 some days ago. I tell her some kind of say, see what I they use. She say, I don't want to get up from here. I still have that short hair. The short hair catch fire. People really buy that short hair for me. Thanks everyone. thanks everyone. I still have if you need it. There's another one, that afro. I have it, but it's in the upstairs. I don't want to get up from here now. So I still have this short hair. You can order for it. I still have it. Many people buy it for me. They are enjoying it. So I saw some ladies, they post, one lady just tagged me on the picture she pasted on Facebook. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And some people will buy something for me. They don't want to promote me. They not go post on me. Person still why be I say one knee I beg. Even though no one post am for me, I beg. I still put comment say this hair is very beautiful. I have it. I bought it from Lady Felicia, and I mean the supplier. My way, na fine hair. Human hair, no be rubber. It's a real hair. It's not rubber. Some people say now because I dey sell on €60, maybe na rubber. No be rubber. Ask Vie. Lady Vie is doing live video. She used my hair the other day. She said it. She have it. I send it to her. You understand? She will tell you guys if it is rubber or it is real hair. This is human hair, 100%. It's real. Good evening, Sister Elizabeth. Jennifer, thank you. Me now they patronize me. Oh my God, what did I do so? Me now they patronize me, You look beautiful, darling sister. Please, I want to be your... Okay, don't worry, make I put water. Okay. No water, my sister. No put water. Oh. For hair, I been at this thing what I do just now. No water. Oh. No water. No water. You are not going to put water. It's your orange juice you are going to put. This thing you are going to put. No water. You are not going to add water. It's only orange juice you are going to use. No water. It's human hair. Yes. It's real human hair. It's now seeing some comments. Okay, you are looking beautiful, my darling sister. Please, I want that your blouse. It's complete. It's with leggings, but I don't want to use it complete. I wear only the top. Then I did wear the leggings. It's complete. If you want it, I will order it for you. Just inbox me. It's complete. Sister Lee Omozusi, thank you. Thanks everyone. Yes, it's natural treatment, natural ingredients. More grace, thank you. Thanks everyone. I need the carrot oil. You need carrot oil. If you need carrot oil, inbox me. You give me budget. I teach you how to do carrot oil. Inbox me. Tomorrow, don't forget to come with this one, and your honey. Let's do this one together. You will love this one. You will love it. You will love it. That will tell you the function of that one in your body. If you don't say the thing, that thing, the ginger you well, men and women, now will do that thing. You know they hungry you again. I know what they talk about now. I know I'm at the poop mats. In Maria Severioni. So, woman, if you don't say that thing, you know they ginger you well again. They doing this thing for tomorrow. I want to. Men, if you don't say that, you know they work like that way again. You go they doing this thing. I want to do tomorrow. It go help you well. Now yeah. Now so I talk and reach you. Tomorrow I go see what they use and they do. I don't give you a small expose. Sister Sandra, you boss me for your carrot oil. Yeah, we teach you. And please send me your Jamie number. I did Jamie where they send Jamie number. Write me on WhatsApp. Where do you live? So you don't know where they live. I want to glow my skin like your skin. Okay, Sister Elizabeth, Betsy, use this thing and use your cream. You will glow. You will glow. You know, get fatter and Coca-Cola body. You will glow. You don't need to be rubbing makeup. This is my pink list. I rub my goat's milk on my face. I don't face show na the other day. I don't want me to show na again. I rub my goat milk. It's a cream. I rub it on my face. It's a face treatment. I'm treating my face for these days. Maybe next month, I will not rub it again. You will see my face. I want my face to look like glass face. When you are seeing my face, to be shining like glass. So I'm preparing my face to be glass face. That is why I rub this thing. Every time, every moment, I always rub it. I don't even use my face cream for now. I'm doing the treatment for myself now, for my face. Because I want you guys to see my face look like glass skin. I want to have that glass skin on my face. I'm doing a heavy treatment for my face. Even here, this one you are seeing here, I'm just doing all the treatments. You see? I don't dey tire all the time. My hands for my face, my face, my face. Peoples don't come near me. This one not come near me. I dey fight against all these things because who dey sell cream good to look beautiful for people to see. Mommy cream don't come. He boss me, Sister Sophia. He boss me. Hello, good evening. I thought you said by 10 o'clock. Who? What is the time? Oh, my students are not. Oh, 10 after. What is the time? It's 9 o'clock now. Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Mr. Bena is not here. I'm going to do the lesson now. You know class now. It's Ife. Since you make me shock, I didn't say 10 no nako. Now 10 o'clock for class. Not be here, not be live video. Come class by 10 o'clock. Not be here. Sister Ife. I see what you will say. Give me. I never get time to reply you. I never get time to reply you. You carry and come class today. May I show put whether you do and where. Yeah, because that one we just see them with Botra, they look at one kind. So carry and come class. Register with Fairly Good Beauty World Cream. If you want to register, contact Grateful Hearts, or you contact me, or Eli Adora. Both of them, Grateful Hearts. Contact her on Facebook, or Sister Eli Adora, or you contact me direct. If you want to join class, contact them. They will tell you details. Please send me your details. Which details am I going to send to you? Hey, Sister Mary, which details am I going to send to you? How much? For what? For my class? He boss me now. He boss Sister Ellie or Grateful Hearts. She will tell you how you will enter the class. I have many classes. I get glow oil class, baby cream, body cream, different class, because this video call no dey carry many people like that, so I dey share them. So we get class by 10 o'clock today. So people, please, nobody should late to me. They say me don't later. That sister just right for there. Me just shock. I say I don't take for this video. Okay guys, let me go and prepare for my class. I have not prepared the ingredients yet. So see you tomorrow. Don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube. My new song is going to drop. It's a song whereby you will that soapy when I dey dance, soapy. It go hot past that one. Now me the cooker. It go on na zero the beats. You know my producer, he sabi mix am well. He go mix am with curry, sugar, pepper, everything. So the song will be dropping very soon. Don't worry. Subscribe to my YouTube. Tomorrow, join me on my live video. When I wake up tomorrow, I will write on my platform, on my profile. When I'm coming to class tomorrow, let's use the pineapple and the watermelon and the honey together. Come with your husband, come with your boyfriends. Wait, no say he knows sabi do that thing again. The thing not the ginger am again. Come with them. Let me teach you what we use to ginger yourself again. Then it will make you look younger than your age. You come fine. Thanks everyone for watching. Wawese kakabo, wayawese amazewa. It's how we wayawese. Thanks everyone. People that buy for me, people that contact me, people that always ask me for cream. Now I have only for black complexion for cream. Glowing cream, I don't have it now. I will be getting it from next week. So people that want to glow, contact me next week. People that are post to 3 people, 1 Jeremy, 1 Austria, and one oh, which country be that one? Oh. Please have patience, you get your cream. Don't worry, you get it. Now coronavirus, that be the problem. Me I no worry, now we get them. Even though I did call you, or I didn't no, stability, my leak for my, let me write it here. I'm going to stop the video now. Even this coronavirus disturb me where many programs they were I want to make they do. And sister Gift, you call me, I'll soon stop this Joy. I'll still stop this video now. You call me. I don't like many people they call me for live video. If I stop and now you call me, we go talk. You understand? Even this my place where I want them to do my video where I reach, may they can't do for me. They never still do it for me. They never still do it for me because of this coronavirus. I need a big table. I have a big table, but I want them to set glass everything where I will be doing my program. They have not arranged it for me. I just they do one like this for a year like this. Only one place here. So they have not arranged it for me. They have not changed the paint of the room. I want to change the paint, the color, you know. Wait for they do clean, wait for they do something. It good may fine where. They never do it for me. No like cutting, all those things. No, I don't do. So by God's grace, they will come and do it. Everything will change. If they not do it for me, I'll leave one like this and not kill myself. So I thank God for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. God will bless you as you watch. Don't forget, buy you my hair from me. Your short hair, your long hair, 26 inches, 28 inches, 40 inches, any inches you want. Straight hair, curly hair, Jerry Coco hair, any type of hair you want to buy. Inbox me. If I tell you price, now my price, because my things all of this cheap. I know they like to dey talk too much. Say, abeg, okay na, orangbe, less €10 for me. I know they feel they talk. That be my problem. If I don't tell you price, if I want less for you, or still tell you so I remove €10 for inside, or you bring the money come. I know they like too much talk. Say, yeah, no, I know they like am. I know they like. I don't get that time. Don't be say I dey shakara. Don't be say I don't want make people buy from me. Who don't need money? You know they. I'm a very busy somebody. If I sell you my words, believe me, that is it. I don't like talking too much on phone or typing too much. I beg my people. I beg. Not beside the shakara. Now, I need money. Now do what we not they buy for me. I beg. Me now still get patience with me. Now I beg me they beg because some people don't boss me. Don't say why they call you. No, they pick. Maybe now the time where I take day work. If I go work 2 o'clock, now 10 o'clock is the evening time. I take close before I reach us to 11. So I don't feel they use phone for work. Now they don't even announce for our working place because of me. Say they no go they carry back, enter work again. You drop her for where for the change. One man make a condition has changing it because of this corona. Everything just can't turn upside down. Bear not bear with me. Anytime I take on my phone or where I take see my phone, if I see your call, I would like make a return now. But another problem where I guess is yesterday evening now. For this WhatsApp, people no fit call me. I be one buy another phone today, but I'm not gonna still buy. I be say if I reach us, I'll feel a do. See now, if I want to enter my WhatsApp message, they come at the year on. If I want to enter my WhatsApp, see what they bring comments. They say make I download that, don't download that. No still good. I don't know why. Please, my people, you can call your that number or you can direct to my inbox, message and talk to me. Come to my inbox, my messenger and talk to me. This is the problem I'm facing since yesterday. This is my business line. Sorry guys. I don't want to talk to anybody or I didn't ignore anybody call. I will try my face on. Thanks everyone. Not do well for my body. Next time, see you tomorrow. Your YouTube name. It there on top of my video. Click on. Spirit baby. Can I drink? Yes, you can drink it. It's not chemical. You can drink it. You can drink it. It's what you use to cook at home now. Because anything where you eat, now your baking will take for breast. No worry. Not be any bad thing. Go tell your daughter, say, see what one woman tell you, say make you the drink. He go tell you, say, very nice. Tell that woman, thank you. Now see message dey come, but I no fit open now. I will try and resolve the problem. Good night, everyone. Good night, good night. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thanks everyone for watching. I love you guys. So let me go and bring my lavender oil to stop this video because I forgot. My tell now wetin dem dey use this lavender oil dey do. See how e dey hot. Use it to mix your cream. Very nice. You know this thing for house. No need for you go supermarket go dey buy this thing dey hot. May I put am for here. Go dey buy everything that you wan buy. This lavender oil as I dey do am so, if you see as everywhere dey scent. Who is this person writing this thing? Efe Iradia. Where is it off my phone? May I see? Can someone write? Tell me what Efe is writing on my platform, because he replied Sophia Goods. Efe, you reply Sophia Goods. I'm going to give it to you the way you will not expect it. Efe Iradia. Let me check your comments were here. Then I will block you. Efe Iradia. I never see your comments, but I see it before. I don't want to insult you without knowing what conspired two of you, because why do you reply her that bleaching my people, this is problem of inferiority. Stop bleaching, it cause skin cancer. Efe Iradia, you see as you be now, you see your life. You could call another person live video, come they talk. See better thing why they do now, where you take solve your problem. You know what do. I don't know wanna be like this, If you go look and all you busy. I don't see am for you, may I block am. All you busy. He face na no good. He head no good. Why you put for house? He may nyama. I put to yo. Where is this Efe Iradia? Oh God. Let me block you. Efe Iradia, where are you? I didn't see you. I want to block this Efe Iradia. Block. Yes, I'll block you. Let me type it out of this phone. I know they want trouble. Efe Iradia. I don't know which one can be the person now. I don't block one. I don't know whether I be this now. Yo. I don't block her for my platform. I don't know whether I be this. It might be this now. We carry something put for it like a see, it be like e-goat. See, now see, person where they talk to person for live video. See, then I block you for my phone. You not be my friend. I don't know as not they reach here. Don't block you. No say this type of people. Me, I know they accept her for friendship. Now because my video they public, now make all of now they near my video. I beg you, do what I do. Okay. What am I trying to explain? You see this thing, Your house. You want to give your house scent. Everywhere go the scent. Put small water for here. Add this little drop of this oil. Not be the chemical we go to buy for small market wey you don't know what they have. Jonah, do it by yourself. Just on it. You see, you see the smoke, the evaporation. Are you seeing it? The whole house go they scent this lavender. Everywhere go good. You see that is what lavender oil is for, to rub your body to mix your cream. Fight against this primitive. You use it to perfume your house. You see my house na everywhere with the scent. I go put her for my parlor now, or I go put her for my room. Everywhere with the scent. Now see everywhere the scent. See you go this nice, it smell good, smell nice. And they try, men they use now, they do something for house. Not be the one with business now go they buy everything for supermarket. That is that. Bye everyone. Sister Sophia see it's in a bed and the way block and no fit, you know, see I take on your next time, don't block and no, you know, if you enter my live video again. Almost zone, no, just leave her. Okay, if you want to know what we did on this video, go and rewatch it. See you guys tomorrow. Come with your pineapple, come with your watermelon and your honey. Let's do it together. I glow my glow, I shine my shine, I mind my business. You see, my students, they are waiting me. Bye. If you want to join the class, inbox me. I'm going to drop the video now. Sister Justina, reward the video, not long, not reach 1 hour. You'll see what we do. Very nice. This is what we did. Now this is what we used to take it do. Good night, everybody. God bless you all. Bye bye. You look good. Yes, so Princess Perpetua. This is what make me look good. After my cream, I drink this. Try it out, so you will love it. Just try it. If you don't understand, inbox me. I will explain to you. I have some minutes before I go to my class. I have only 30 minutes. So anybody that want to call me now after this live video, ask me question and call me. Ciao, ciao. Bye, everyone.